Hey beauties!
It's Shaq
And Shayna.
and today we're bringing you a video suggested by you.
Yes. So we asked you guys on Instagram to choose different products that we should use during our look today, and you guys chose, so let's get into it.
Yes. So we asked you what type of eyeshadow we should do, what type of eye look, and the most popular types were
Smoky eye looks and colorful looks. So we're gonna kind of combine that and go a little smoky and colorful.
Exactly. You can't go wrong with either.
Nope. So the top palettes you guys wrote in were
the Soul Palette, the Glitch, and the Inspired Collection Galaxy and Sweet Dreams.
and then one of you suggested a secret project, so we might just be using
More than one secret project.
ooh.
Who knows?
You never know. The girls are mysterious.
So I'm going to start by using the Galaxy palette. I'm going to pick this color for my brow bone.
So I'm gonna start with the Soul palette, and I'm going to use the shade Truffle, which is the shade right here in my crease.
Next, I'm going to take the shade Truffle and put it on my crease.
I'm gonna mix the shades French Mocha and Bark from the Soul palette for my outer corner.
I'm going to go in with the color Forever from the Glitch palette. And Shayna, what will you be using?
I'm gonna use that secret shade from that secret project palette that we were talking about earlier to make that the star of my lid.
I like that. Next, I'm going to take the color Easy Bake and I'm going to apply it to the front part of my crease.
I'm gonna keep mixing this green shade on my lid and then the darker colors to get a good blend between the two.
What do you think about that green shade though?
The girls are mysterious.
Next, I'm taking the color Mood Ring and I'm going to apply it right after that pink. Next, I'm going to be taking another super secret shade and I'm going to apply that towards the end of my crease.
The girls are mysterious.
And then I'm gonna start working on my lower lash line with the green and the browns as well.
Next, I'm going to take the dark purple from the Galaxy palette and apply it on my lash line.
I'm gonna use the shade Y2K from the Glitch palette and I'm gonna put that on my inner corners.
I'm going to take the color Rhinestone and put that in my inner corner.
So I'm gonna mix Y2K and Rhinestone to highlight my brow bone.
Next, we asked you what bronzer we should use and what highlight we should use and what blush we should use.
Yes. So obviously a lot of you guys wanted to see Nikkie's highlighters, which, you know, we don't blame you. I'm gonna be using Cloud9 and Space Baby.
And I'm going to be using Cloud9. And for bronzer and blush,
We have another secret project that we're gonna be using, which is gonna be coming out in about a week or two, so keep your eyes out.
yes,
They're mysterious.
I'm going to start with Cloud9.
And I'm starting with bronzer.
I mean, talk about powerful highlights.
Bringing some color back to my face.
And now I'm going to go in with bronzer. And for blush, I'm going to be using Candy Apple because a lot of you requested that too.
For my blush, I'm going to be going into another secret product that we have coming out next month that's going to be launching with the bronzer.
The girls are mysterious.
for my highlight, I'm actually gonna throw it back a little bit to my old glazed donut. And this is one of the other Nikkie collabs, so kind of still counts, you know?
Yeah.
People still wanted to see her.
I'm gonna apply our black eyeliner on the waterline. Of course, we're gonna apply our favorite setting spray, our makeup fixer. If you don't take a bath in it, does it even count?
Absolutely not. So next we asked which lip shade you wanted to see on us. A lot of you said nude, so I'm gonna go with one of my favorites, which is Manila.
And a lot of you requested Unzipped, which is what I'm going to wear. Next, we're going to apply mascara and lashes, and we'll be right back.
So these are our final looks.
I think you guys did great picking our products.
Yeah, I agree. We
Yeah.
look pretty good right now. So if you guys enjoyed this video, if you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up.
Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time a new video goes up.
Make sure to comment down below your favorite part of this video and what you want to see next from us.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Thanks beauties. Bye.
Focus, Sheena.
The pressure.
Oh, there.
So we asked you guys on Instagram.
The way I was picking my nose, you gotta give me warning. I'm gonna take another super duper secret next from the Galaxy palette and apply it on my
For my blush, I'm going to be going into the other secret product.
You have a hair hanging.
Well, at least it wasn't connected, so.
So dirty. It's okay. It goes with all my dirty stuff.
You wanted the other ones over there.
No, it's fine.
Sure.
It's going to get dirty then.
Wow.
So next you guys chose which lipsticks we should wear. A lot of people were saying Tuscany as one of the shades, which is what Shaq's going to go with. And they also...
That's not it.
Is not Tuscany?
That's Unzipped.
Oh, okay. So next we asked which shade of lip... Did a pretty good job. What about you?
Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this. No, bleh. Sorry. Go.
Don't enjoy it. Okay, let's not use that.
Oh no, let's do it. That was cute. I like it. Staying on.
I mean,
I'm the editor.
What I say goes, damn it.
To hit that notification bell so you can get notified.
Notified.